Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize VS Code GitHub sign-in with OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version installed. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar. Search for the GitHub pull requests and issues extension. Install the extension if it's not already installed. Once installed, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P on Mac. Type sign in to GitHub and select the option that appears. A prompt will appear, asking you to authorize. Click on the Authorize button. This will open a new browser window or tab with GitHub's authorization page. Sign in to your GitHub account if prompted. The authorization page will show you the permissions that the extension will request. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click the Authorize button on the GitHub page. You will receive an authentication code. Copy this code. Return to Visual Studio Code. Paste the code in the prompt that appeared earlier. Press Enter to complete the sign-in process. Your GitHub account should now be linked with Visual Studio Code. You can verify this by checking the GitHub panel within the sidebar. Now, you can start using GitHub features right inside VS Code. If you encounter any issues, recheck your GitHub permissions or consult the extension documentation. Enjoy coding and collaborating using GitHub in VS Code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.